Also guys, we have one more Discord award. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. When you open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, go here on quest, you will see WUWA quest. Claim a V2.0 WUWA quest pack. All you need to do, just play 15 minutes this game and get this cool quest pack. Go here accept quest, choose platform to get started, go here desktop and play 15 minutes. If you don't have game, go on these 3 dots and go get game, go here visit, download game, make your account and play 15 minutes to unlock this cool reward. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get free Discord reward WUWA 2 quest. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.